In this video, we're going to talk about how we integrate with Mercury engines. Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about Mercury integration. Simrad and Mercury have a very close relationship when it comes to integration. We work very well together, and I'm going to show you some of those features and talk about some of the module options that you have. So coming off my home screen here on my chart page, which is my initial startup screen, I'm going to come into my main app menu, and you're going to see at the very top here my Mercury app. So I'm going to touch on that, and it's going to give me all relative information. It's going to give me my voltage. It's already verified that my system is okay, so it'll run through a diagnostics. If we were underway, it would give me my miles per hour, my fuel left, RPMs port, RPMs starboard, and then what gear I'm in. So neutral, obviously as we go into forward, this would sight to F. Same thing on this side here. And then trim tabs, which is not part of the Mercury system, but part of our Lenco trim tab system. So you may or may not get trim tabs depending on what type of trim tabs you have in your system. We have some other features. So there is another window. So if I touch it anywhere on the screen here, I get my menu app drop down here, and I can go into additional engine data. Now I can get my engine hours, battery, my trim, if we were running, give me my trim percent, coolant pressure, coolant temperature, all that stuff if we were running would populate on this screen as well. One thing to keep in mind is there's a couple of legacy Mercury modules and then their current module. Their current module is called SmartCraft Connect. SmartCraft Connect gives you the full ability of your motors, meaning that any feature that you have on that particular motor that you is mounted off the back of your boat, you would have access to. And the way that you access some of those features is you'll come up in here into our integration bar, you touch on the Mercury icon, and right now on these particular motors that I only have the ability to do cruise control. So I can set an RPM, and much like in your car, it'll maintain that RPM through wind, current, and any other environmental challenges you may have. But there are other engines out there that give you a myriad of active trim control, weight control, exhaust control. All those would still populate in here utilizing SmartCraft Connect. It's very important that our new operating system works very well with SmartCraft Connect and gives you all the features that you may need. Now, previous generations, there was a product from Mercury called VesselView Link. If you have VesselView Link on your boat, and say we did a refit from older NSS units or any older Simrad units, and you had VesselView Link on there and you didn't want to change that out for one reason or another, basically what you will not get is you will not get the integrated sidebar. You'll still get this look here, so you'll still get the Mercury feel and look, but you will not get active controls, meaning cruise control, active trim, and some of the other features that we spoke about. So keep that in mind when you're utilizing the new Simrad operating system, that to get full functionality on your Mercury engines, you'll want to go with SmartCraft Connect, and that can be purchased from any Mercury dealer that you choose.